Welcome to the Fuller Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 3:40 p.m. that is Central Time, and today is October 20th. It was a positive day right across the boards, and we had a stronger environment in the stock market. Apple broke out to a new all-time high. The Dow Jones Industrial average was up over 500 points. Every index on Wall Street was up over 1%. Canada was up 1%. Brazil was up a little less than 1%. The only ones that were in a mildly negative territory were Mexico and Switzerland. The FTSE 100 was up about 0.5%. Germany, Spain, Italy, and the Swedish market were all up in excess of 1%. In fact, Germany was up almost 2%. The Japanese market was up over 3%, 1,600 points on the Nikkei. The Hang Seng was up 2.4%, and the mainland market was only up about 0.5%. Then at one point, gold was up about $120 or $130, and right now it's up 106. Silver was up $1.27. Copper on the COMEX contract is back above the $5 handle. Bitcoin up 2,000. Then natural gas up 10%, 37 cents. Now that is on the promise of colder weather. And being someone who likes to chart things, I have been keeping a record of the day in the year where we turn on the air conditioning and the day in the year where we turn it off. And the last 2 years in a row, the time when we turned off our air conditioning was on the 17th and the 16th of October, respectively. And we just had the conversation this morning about whether we should turn off the air conditioning because it's starting to feel a little chilly in the house. So that's the promise of increased demand for natural gas at a time where prices are pretty depressed. We obviously have a very big question in front of us, and this is clearly about what the Fed is going to do. The 10-year yield was down another 2 basis points today. It's now below 4%, and it's been messing around 4% for the last week, but it does look increasingly likely that we are coming to a point where a decision about where rates are likely to go, what the Federal Reserve is going to do with its balance sheet, how it's going to respond to some of the risks in the banking sector, particularly the regional banks, private equity, private credit, and how all that filters through into the wider economy. That's all forthcoming. One thing I think